Good morning, beautiful people. I made a video on how you can do your wing liner if you are a beginner or even if you are having a problem in doing your wing liner. So I did one with, this is the one that I did without the tape, and this is the one that I did with the tape. So the one that I did without the tape is more like a sharp, but not at the same time sharp. It's like more on the curvy side. But the one that you do with the tape, it comes out a bit on the sharper side. So that's totally your call. Both looks amazing. Both looks amazing with your eye makeup. Both looks amazing without the eye makeup. Both looks are both. So if you are still struggling with how to get a perfect wing liner, then keep on watching. Also, the liner that I used in this video today is by Kiko Milano Ultimate Pen Long Wear Liner. It's this the one. It's amazing. It's really amazing. It's pretty dark. It's pretty black. I love this. So if you like the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, make your sister subscribe to my channel, make your mother subscribe to my channel, and bye.